Hey guys, how are you all? In this video, I'm going to show you how can you turn off SOS or emergency mode in your iPhone. So this is a very simple and easy trick to do in your iPhone. So basically what happened is your iPhone may be lagging or anything because of network issue. It shows SOS or emergency mode activate. How can you switch off it? So firstly, I just want to check that if my phone is in emergency mode or not. For this, you just have to click and hold the volume low button and the power button at the same time like this for 3-4 seconds, and here SOS emergency will be appeared. So if you are seeing this menu on your mobile phone and you cannot turn it off, so how can you solve it? Firstly, just restart your mobile phone, like the again volume low and power button, and slide to power off. After power off, when you restart your phone, all the problems will be solved, because this problem is generally happen due to lagging or hanging of iPhone. So please take care of it, or don't use your iPhone while charging like I'm using it. So don't do that. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe the channel if you like, and we will meet again with next and the best video to all of you. Keep watching, keep loving.